Hello everyone, so today we have 9 to the power of m plus 9 to the power of m all equals to 90, and m is the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. Alright, today if you are meeting our videos for the first time, I'd like for you to click on the subscription button to promote this channel, and thank you for returning viewers. God bless you. So we're going to solve together. Our equation 9 to the power of m plus 9 to the power of m, this is equals to 90. And what is common here is 9 to the power of m. If we factor out 9 to the power of m, 9 to the power of m divided by 9 to the power of m, that will be 1, plus here also is 1. This all equals to 90. And if we do this very well, here 9 to the power of m will be times 1 plus 1 is 2. Everything equals to 90. And again, what we'll do here is to divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of 9 to the power of m. So when 2 divides 2, what is left is 9 to the power of m. And this is equal to 90 divided by 2, that is 45. And here, if we write 45 in an index form, we're not going to have base of 9. So the best thing to do is to apply the log to base 10 on both sides. That is, log 9 to the power of m will be equals to log 45. So if you bring this power down, m will therefore multiply log 9, that is equals to log 45. Again, we're going to divide both sides by log 9. The coefficient of m over log 9, so that when log 9 cancel log 9, what is left will be m equals to 45 can be written as 9 times 5, so that the next line becomes log 9 times 5 all over log 9. But log a times b, this is represented as log a plus log b. We're going to apply this here, so that the next line becomes m equals to log 9 plus log 5 all over log 9. So if we do this very well, we want to write them in separate fractions. So we have m equals to log 9 over log 9 plus log 5 all over log 9. Here, log 9 divided by log 9 is 1. So we have m equals to 1 plus log 5 all over log. And again, here 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2. 3 times 3, that is 9. So we're going to put 3 to the power of 2 as 9. So there we can write m to be equals to 1 plus log 5 all over. The power comes down to be 2 log 3. So in a simpler form, we can write m to be equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 log of 5 and base of 3. This is the final answer for m. And to verify this, from our equation 9 to the power of m plus 9 to the power of m equals to 90, and from here we arrived as 9 to the power of m equals to 45, so that 9 will be to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base of 3. Can this give us 45? But a to the power of n plus m can be represented as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So here we can write 9 to the power of 1 times 9 to the power of 1 over 2 log of 5 base of 3. Can this be equals to 45? Here 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2, that is 9 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 2, and the power goes up so that it becomes log 5 to the power of 1 over 2 and base of 3. Can this be equals to 45? So that 9 times 3 to the power of log 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times 2 over 1 and base of 3. Can this be equals to 45? Here 2 will cancel out, and the base number to the power of log of the same base is cancelled out, so that 9 times here, what is left is 5. Can this give us 45? And of course 9 times 5 is 45. Thank you for staying tuned. Please click on the subscription button before you leave. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Bye.